Hey everybody, just doing a new TWH in the little Elite I've done videos on. These are the 92s for af16 18. Great upgrade from a stock Variator. Gets a little more travel on the top even if you're using a stock belt. So I usually just throw them in anything that I'm doing a Variator with, because why put a stock size one on when I have this? I'll cut open the kit and I can show you what it comes with. And then I'll show you a quick install video. So, it comes 9 rollers, so you can adjust the weights. Comes with a boss. Some bikes you use the boss, some you don't. Comes with clutch springs that are around 1,000. I already have 1,500s in this bike. This is more if you're just doing this on a stock bike. The 1,000s would be great for that. Or even if you're doing like a sport 4. You know, the 1,000s will be fine for it. This bike's just a little more aggressive with that pipe, so I have 1,500s. So I'll pull all this out and show you guys, and then I'll show you how to do it. I'm trying to push a little. This with a tripod right now. So this is the Variator. Nice ram plate. And then extend it a little bit compared to a factory one. So, alright, let me pause you guys and move this. Alrighty, we're gonna do the install now. Hopefully that's a good angle. So, 8. Not all of them are on because we're tuning Variator. Drop that. Switch it out to a 17. Down. So I did do the Sharpie test. The weights I have in there were pretty good. We're almost at the top. If you're ever trying to mess with belt travel and doing weights, see this one here too, they cut that a little bit to get more travel. But you just take a Sharpie and you draw lines down it on all the corners, and you put your rollers in that you think are good, and if you're not getting full travel on the rollers, you take it out. The lines down there, change the rollers. So I'm going to use these rollers. All right, old, new. So we're doing 3s and 6s. You can change weights in them to get your total weight, but you don't want to put an 8, an 8, a 3, a 3, or you want them to be the same across from each other. That kit on. This boss, because we know it's messing up. See, we're gonna have to grind that down. Some cases they fit perfectly, some castings are a little bit bigger. So we're gonna take this down and we're gonna just grind that a little bit where that corner is. Alright, I'll be right back with the grinder set up, so stay tuned. Alright, the Dremel here. test fit that. All right, there we go. I'll clean this off, but I just want to test fit. Oh yeah, a lot more space. All right, let's clean this down. Alrighty, clean that up. Put this on. Now you can see plenty of clearance. So take this. Put that on there. I also sell dry faces if you ever need those. Fancy stock. I'll put a link to my parts. Right. There we go. Let that sit after it moves. Let's put the kicker book cover back on. Boom, 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 boom. Just gonna put 3 in for now. Socket. I always say if you're doing CVT cover bolts, never use an impact. You can do it to take it off, but on, always do it by hand, because there's a million cases out there with Healy coils and garbage like that. So that's the install on the TWH kit. I'll put a link down to it below. I'm gonna test it out now. Thanks. Alright, here it is, fresh gear oil. I cleaned the carb, it's been sitting a while. We did the Variator as well, so I'm gonna test it out. Not bad, no joke. On the road. I'm just holding the whole stand right now.
ride. It still is lacking a little bottom end. I think the weights I have in there are a little too heavy, but it's all I have right now. So I have three threes and 3 6s. So I'm going to switch that over to probably do 3 3s and 3 4s. So it'll be like 3.5 total. The pipe's just really loud, as you guys heard. So it's very unrestricted, and unrestricted pipes, they really like light rollers. So I'm gonna get a kit in on the way because I don't have anything. All I have is a bunch of 3s because I use that for like PG longs. So I'll have to get some 4s to roll up with it to match with the 3s. So stay tuned. I'll probably sling the bike together so all the plastics will be on. It'll look a lot better too. And just wait for those rollers and the thing will be done. And then hit the for sale market. So if anything's looking, up in New Hampshire and Kingston, I'm selling all these bikes. So stay tuned.